Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. Episode 9. We are talking about English for travel. Hotel Check-in English, Episode 9, Part 3. Now you arrive at the hotel. The first step is check-in. Very simple sentences. Hello, I have a reservation. My name is blank. I'd like to check in. Here is my ID.
Hotel staff are usually very polite. Speak slowly and clearly. Practice.
Repeat after me. I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. Here is my ID. Perfect.
Funny story 7. Alex said, I want to check you.
Alex wanted to say check in.
I said, I want to check you.
Hotel staff became very serious. What we learn. Correct phrase, check in equals hotel. Check you equals dangerous. Hotel room questions. Hotel staff may ask, single room or double room? How many nights? Do you need breakfast? You can answer, single room please. For 2 nights. Yes please or no thank you.
Very easy and useful. Practice.
Repeat. Single room please. For 2 nights. Yes, breakfast, please. Funny story 8. Luna said, I need 1 bed person. I wanted to say single room. I said, I need 1 bed person.
Hotel English failed.
Hotel room problems. Sometimes there is a problem in the room. Useful sentences. The AC is not working. There is no hot water. The room is noisy. The TV is not working.
Always speak politely. Practice.
Repeat. The AC is not working. There is no hot water. Excellent.
Funny story 9. Alex called reception for the light switch.
Alex called reception. I said, the lights are not working. The switch was behind him. Hotel services English. Hotels offer services. Useful sentences. Can I get room service? What time is breakfast? Is Wi-Fi free? Can I have an extra towel?
These sentences are very common. Practice.
Repeat. What time is breakfast? Can I have an extra towel? Great. Check out English. When you leave the hotel, you check out. Easy sentences. I'd like to check out. Can I get the bill, please? Thank you for your service.
Simple and polite. Practice.
Repeat. I'd like to check out. Can I get the bill, please? Perfect.
Funny story 10. Luna said, I want to check you out again.
I repeated my mistake. I said, I want to check you out.
Hotel staff survived.
Full travel role play complete. Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I see your ID?
Here you go.
Single or double room?
Single room, please.
How many nights?
2 nights.
Here is your key. Breakfast is at 7 a.m.
Thank you.
Speaking practice for you. Final.
Pause and answer out loud. 1. How do you check in at a hotel? 2. How do you complain politely? 3. How do you check out?
Your English is travel ready.
Confidence and motivation.
Travel English is not about perfect grammar.
It's about being understood.
Speak slowly. Smile. Be confident.
If this episode helped you, like this video, share it with friends, subscribe to Miss Grammar.
You've completed episode 9.
Happy travels and see you soon.